Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we learned about the directive influence of activating group, where we discussed about the resonating structures formed when the activated or activating group is present on the benzene ring, and that's why that generally activating group is having a key atom, and that key atom possess lone pair of electron, and that lone pair of electron is in conjugation with the pi electrons in benzene ring, and therefore delocalization of electron takes place, and therefore we get so many resonating structures. And in that case we also find that the negative charge is there on ortho and para position, and therefore the electrophilic substitution takes place at ortho and para position. That is all about the activating group. Now today we will discuss about the directive influence of deactivating group. Now we know that deactivating groups are the groups which when attached to benzene ring it slow down the reactivity of that benzene ring, and these groups are NO2 group, COOH group, CHO group. These are all deactivating groups. Now here also we are studying about, or we are discussing about the directive influence. So generally the deactivating group, they are meta directing group. We can prove it by using again resonating resonance and inductive effect. So in case of first we by taking example of NO2. Now the structural formula for NO2 is N double bond O, and one single bond O is also there. Here the key atom is nitrogen, and as you can see nitrobenzene is written there, and the structure of nitrobenzene means benzene ring is there and NO2 group is attached there. Here what happened, now oxygen is electronegative, more electronegative than nitrogen, and therefore the pi electrons, they are shifted towards oxygen, and now oxygen carries negative charge, as well as nitrogen, as it donate pair of electron, so it carries now positive charge. Then the electron, as the nitrogen carries positive charge, the pi bonds from the benzene ring get shifted towards nitrogen, so nitrogen becomes neutral and double bond is formed there, and in this way delocalization of positive charge takes place here. And you can see here again we are having 5 structures for nitrobenzene. There are 5 resonating structures, and in all structures we can find that the positive charge is rotating, or delocalization of that positive charge takes place, and positive charge is there at ortho position and para position. And if we consider or we compare the meta position with ortho and para position, we find that meta position is little bit electronegative, as it doesn't carry positive charge in any resonating form. So it is meta position is electron rich position, and therefore whenever the electrophilic substitution of the compound containing deactivating group is there, the incoming group always attach or always attacks at meta position, and we get meta substituted product. Second example is also there of COOH group. You can see here this is a benzoic acid where benzene ring is attached to COOH group. Again, as oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, it attracts the ill pair of electron and becomes negatively charged, as well as the carbon becomes positively charged, and therefore the pi electron from benzene ring gets shifted, and now benzene ring carries positive charge, and delocalization of that electrons to create positive charge takes place here. And here also we are having 4 structures, resonating structures of benzoic acid. Here also the positive charge are there on ortho and para position, and therefore as compared to these 2 positions, meta position is more electronegative, and therefore electrophilic substitution whenever takes place here, it always attacks at meta position to give meta substituted product. So this is about the deactivating group or directive influence of deactivating group. Now orientation. What is this orientation? Orientation is the method to determine the position of substituent group on aromatic group. Means whenever we are having one structure or one compound, the atom will decide the position of incoming group, and that is we call it as an orientation. Now ortho-para ratio is there. We know that in, suppose we are having mono-substituted benzene compound, so 5 carbon they in benzene ring, it carries 2 ortho positions, 2 meta positions and 1 para position. And ortho-para ratio means we are having 2 ortho position and 1 para position. So we can say that the ratio is 2:1. So this is about the ortho-para ratio.